it's Nat from the Traveling Foxes, and if you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. So to those of you who have been following my channel, I am back to one of my favorite locations in the Philippines. Can you guess it? Yep, you're right, it's El Nido here in Palawan. So I've done a lot of luxury resort tours, room tours in this island because I love checking out the different resorts that you can check out if you're visiting and you want a luxury stay. So for this video, it's going to be another luxury room tour, and this one is actually located in El Nido Town. So this place is called Panorama Villas. It's the first time I've heard of it. It was my friends who suggested this place. And actually, this whole trip came about because we decided to come to El Nido to come and play paddle. So paddle plus a beautiful resort, you know, it's a perfect vacation for me and my husband. So that is why we are here. Let's go and check out this amazing villa. It's actually quite big. When I got in, I was quite surprised. And normally what I do is I actually don't like researching too much before I visit a place. I don't like reading about the reviews of a place. I want to do the review myself and base it on my own personal experience. So before I continue talking, we might as well go around and check out this beautiful room. We are currently in villa number 4, and it's a villa with its own personal pool, and this is how the outside looks. And guys, this place, it's 2 stories and it's just for me and Chris. Say hi, Bebsy. Hello. So we were able to check in early, just before lunch, so I get to appreciate the place a little bit longer and also show you guys around. First things first, let's check out the main bedroom, which is at the ground floor. I guess they got Chris's name wrong, Chris. So we are here in the main bedroom now, and what I like about it is it's got the direct view to the swimming pool. It's got a perfect bed size. You have a little couch in the corner, and you have a TV, refrigerator, and you also have a lot of storage space. And as I mentioned earlier, we are here for paddle, so we have a lot of things aside from beach wear. Then we also have our paddle rackets, our workout shoes, and our paddle clothes. And here we have access to the toilet, which also has access to the outside shower. So let's go and check that out. So you have direct access from the pool to the outdoor shower to the toilet, so at least this way you don't have to get your bedroom wet. It's such a great add-on, I would say, especially if you are here to really enjoy the pool and, you know, as well still be comfortable in your bedroom. And I actually forgot to mention while I was out doing the introduction, it's actually an outdoor dining area, and you also have an outdoor kitchen area which also has a coffee machine, another refrigerator, and also a stove in case you want to cook. And what's great about this place is you can also just order in and eat here in the villa. You could have your breakfast here, or just any food from the restaurant, you could have it and enjoy it in your villa. Let's go upstairs. So this is the main entrance. I don't have to go out, but that's the main entrance, and then just directly across it is the second floor. So this is bedroom number 2, and you have the same view. I mean, you have the same facing view, and you also get the pool with a balcony where Chris is enjoying himself at the moment. But can you tell them what happened, or what did you find out?
I forgot my swimwear.
So Chris came all the way to El Nido with a lot of paddle clothes. Our bag was actually really full. I think we overpacked, and then he realized that he didn't bring any swimwear. I guess he forgot that we are here to also enjoy the beach, not just go and play paddle, but I guess
They have a nude beach here.
you can enjoy the nude beach yourself. Anyway, this is the view from the second floor to the pool. You can see it's pretty lovely. Even though if this is located in El Nido Town, it's actually the quieter side of El Nido, so you don't get like the loud party, afternoon sunset parties. We are in the other side of the road, so this is not a beachfront hotel, but for me it's just so near the beach. We literally went for breakfast. We just walked to one of the beachfront breakfast locations and yeah, just walked back as well.
You can't see the water there between.
I guess you can see the water. It's probably like 150 meters away, further, I don't know.
Also a little bit there.
Yeah, you can have little glimpses of the ocean from here. Let's go back to the second bedroom. So very similar layout to downstairs. You have the cabinets, the couch, the TV, and as for the toilet, yeah, exactly the same, except obviously for the outdoor toilet and showers. Yeah, so that's it for our room tour, guys. Just short and sweet. So hopefully you have enjoyed this, and maybe one day it'll be one of your options when visiting El Nido Town. And the price of this room is around 22,000 or 24,000 pesos per night. And if you would want to book for this room, I left a link below that you can check out. So hope to catch you guys in my next adventure. And if you want to check out the other resort tours, I will leave a link to that playlist just below. So I'll see you all in my next adventure. Bye guys!